Take your dining experience to the next level with the Stansport Deluxe Enamel Tableware set. We start with high-quality stainless steel and double-glaze it with a rugged enamel for unparalleled durability and classic rustic style. Each piece features a stainless steel edge and is tough enough to use in the wilderness and stylish enough to use at home. The tableware set is available in white, green, and blue. The Stansport percolator enamel set includes one 8-cup percolator and 4 12-ounce mugs. The percolator has a sturdy pour handle and cool touch bail. Each item is kiln-hardened to help prevent chips and scratches. The enamel percolator set is available in both white and blue. Both enamel sets are lightweight, making them ideal for family camping, recreational vehicles, or home use.